In this video, we will learn what are post types and the default post types available in WordPress. WordPress hosts lots of different types of content and they are divided into what's called post types. WordPress comes loaded with a few different post types which are commonly used and are stored in the database under the WP_posts table. The default post types that are always included within a WordPress installation are posts, pages, attachments, revisions, navigation menus, custom CSS, and change sets. In this video, we will only learn more about the most common default post types that you will use, which are posts and pages. So then, what are posts? A post in WordPress is a post type that is typically used by blogs. Here's an example of a popular website created using WordPress, and how the posts are displayed in a blog in reverse sequential order by time, which means the newest posts are displayed first. RSS feeds are also generated using posts. So then, what are pages? A page is similar to posts, however, they have a few very important differences. Pages are not shown in reverse sequential order. They can also be placed into a hierarchical order where a page can be the parent or child of another page, creating a page structure. Typically, pages also do not make use of categories and tags like posts do. As we have discussed the available default post types within WordPress, you may choose to extend the number of post types by creating custom post types based on the needs of your project. But before we show you how to add new custom post types, in the next video we will cover some examples of post types that are not available by default but can be easily added using popular WordPress plugins without learning to code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. This video is brought to you by CubeWP. To learn more about our products and services, please visit us at CubeWP.com.